You've been on my mind. I grow fonder every day, losing myself in time. Just thinking of your face, God only knows why it's taking me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared. I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forgive your past and simply be mine. I dare you to let me be your one and only. I promise I'm worth it to hold in your arms. So come on and give me a chance to prove I'm the one who can walk that mile until the end starts. If I've been on your mind, you hang on every word I say, losing yourself in time. At the mention of my name, will I ever know how it feels to hold you close and have you tell me whichever road I choose, you'll go. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word,